welcome back to my channel. If you're new, this is Shumedha. Welcome back. Please hit the subscribe button below. You can also follow me on Instagram at Glitter and Goth. So today we have a very special guest on our channel. Her name is Devarati. She's like one of my oldest friends. We are friends for what, like 20 years? 21 years.
Yeah.
So today we are gonna shoot a fun video. It's kind of like a best friend tag, but it won't be very competitive. We just because like we know each other. Like come on, we are friends for 21 years.
We never tagged each other as best friends though, but
we directly tagged each other from like strangers, friends, sisters.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, so like I in none of my like slang books we never mentioned each other as best friends. But
though I know couple of best friends from your childhood which keep on changing from year to year, classes from one class to the other, but our section never changed, surprisingly, apart than in class 5.
Yeah. So we have been together for a very long time. Like even our parents, our fathers were school friends. Yeah, so
college friends. Yeah.
School friends.
Whatever.
So we know each other for a very long time. So this won't be a very competitive video. It'll be more like how well do we know each other, which I think we do know each other very well. Well, let's see. And it's a chit chat session basically. So before we get into the Q&A session, like I would like to ask you a question. Can you describe me in one word?
Oh yes. Reserved, not open to all. I mean, not at first time. Like you're very soft. First, your expression will be always like okay, and then if you like that person, you will be like okay, Otherwise, with a fake smile, like it's something like that. This is you. This is you.
Well, kind of. So, like, if I have to describe you in one word, I'll always say reliable. Like, she's the reliable person, and if we were like if we do something wrong, it's definitely me who did something wrong, and she's the one who's saving me. Like always.
No, it happened once, like something else, but yeah, it was much more like partner in crime.
It's more likely that I'll do the crime and you will like help me.
Yeah.
Kinda.
Yeah, something
it's
like
always
that.
me.
Something like that.
So the first question is, where did we first meet?
I know this very well. This is long back in our childhood when we met in tuition, Montessori classes.
Sounds so weird, like we went for Montessori tuition.
Yeah.
But it was not exactly like that. It was just
much more like playful.
Yeah, it's like it was like one of my neighbors used to give tuitions, and I did not have friends, like she said. Like I initially have a little difficulty.
Really small there.
Yeah, like I went there because I wanted to make friends. I did not go there for tuitions. But it's like all the kids from the neighborhood used to go there, and they used to play and just write ABCD on their copies. Like it was just fun stuff like people used to do together. So I thought like cool, why not like join? So second question, what was your first impression of me?
Naughty.
You just said I was reserved and I had problem like mingling with people in the first go, and your first impression was like, oh, she's naughty. Like
Arey, that's the characteristics which you have built over years. Like now you're matured one. When you were small and younger one, you were something else. Yeah, you was the naughty one. I was like quiet, chup chap.
Okay, my first impression of her wasn't good at all. She was a bully, like a big time bully. Yeah, I remember, and she had some issue with me, and I have no idea why. And she used to be really mean to me. I remember, like we had these caps, the pencil caps.
Oh yes.
So she bought one, and she used to show off, like, see, I have one, and you don't have one, and I'm like, who gives you one?
Yeah, see, the characteristics changes over years. Like when we have grown up, it's something else. You're something else. I'm something else. I don't know.
So she's way more outgoing than I am now. Like I used to be really but initially I used to be really friendly with people and
Yeah. No, you are friendly. You are very friendly with people, humble and well behaved, you can say, and also very nice to people. But first, she needs time to dwell with people. If she like them, then it's a thumbs up. If not, then it's like bye bye.
yeah, like that's how it should be. I think like why would you be nice to someone who's mean to you? Like you should be, but not like too much.
I mean, everybody seems to you like weird at the first sight. And you're like very quiet and observing that person.
Yeah, I
Just
don't mind
nodding.
being called weird.
You're just nodding your head. That's it.
So, do I believe in ghosts or paranormal activity?
Yes, of course you do. You do.
How do you know that? I have never mentioned this to you.
Of course you did. We spoke a lot of times about visiting some places in Kolkata which are haunted,
Yeah, which never happened.
which never happened. It's not really.
Haunted.
Yeah. I don't believe
Like, we
ghosts
need to-
exist.
You don't?
No.
Okay. We need to scan. So, name a book I have read from start to end.
Twilight.
Wow, like that was like wow, I did not expect that.
Of course, I know you.
Yeah.
You owned it.
Yeah, I was the one like who used to, like in school, like we used to buy books and we used to we were our own library. Like, oh, you bought that book, like give me for a week, and then
Yeah.
next week that book will go to another person and another person,
Yeah.
and by the end of like 3 months, I was like, who has my book? Like, I don't have my book. Where is it?
Also because you were at that point of time, like it was in class 8, 9, 10, like that. I think 9, 8.
7, 8.
Yeah, more or less. So at that point of time, you was like not interested in many other books. It was like only to that teenage genre, or everyone was fascinated about, and everybody. It was on like craze, that Twilight series, and then you actually bought them, 3 of
All 4 books.
yeah, all the 4 one, and we were like lending to each other.
And I had a huge crush on Edward Cullen.
Yeah.
I was a big
Yeah.
time Robert Pattinson fan,
Exactly.
so I
I
used to
know.
be like, oh my god, like,
I know.
hearts over here. So, name one thing I'm very good at and one thing I'm bad at.
Good at heart, really good at heart, helpful, and bad is mixing with people, engaging with them.
That's all.
Yeah. You're bad at engaging with people at first, but once you dwell, I'm telling it again and again, she is a very good person. Very good person.
Aww. You would ask me?
Tell me about me, what I'm really good at and bad at.
I'll say that she is very good. Like, if anybody comes for help to her, or if anybody, asks for anything, like, she's always available for everyone. And in a good way, not in a bad way. Like, she's not
I try.
overdoing it, but then she's always there for whoever needs her. Like, she's always there. Like, if you
I
need
try.
her, she'll be there. It's a very good quality, I think. And no matter how busy she is. Like, even if it's something silly, like, I'll text her in the middle of the day when she's working and I'll be like, please like my Instagram post or something, or maybe share this post, and she'll do it, like, immediately. She'll be like, yeah, just share the link with me and I will do it. Like, she's
Yeah.
always available.
I try.
She needs people now. And one bad thing will be, she has a problem with adjusting with people, but not like adjusting, but kind of letting them in if they have a different belief system than she has. Like, if she believes in a certain way of living and she does not really, what's the right word for it? Like, supports the other person or
Accept.
yeah, she has difficulty in accepting that other culture, like not in a bad way, like she won't judge them or like show them down, like, oh, like, no, dude, like that's wrong, like she doesn't do that, but like deep down she has that, like, you know, it kind of like bothers her a little bit, like,
I mean, their nature bothers me, not their culture.
no, not the culture, I mean, like if they have a different belief system, like, for example, I don't want to give the example.
You know, I feel it very bad when people are like very choosy. I feel like that because there are times, I think my bad habit is I just, you know, you mentioned that is my good habit. At the same time, that is also like hampering me when I don't feel like to support them because yeah, this is true. This is really true. Like I don't want to, but still at certain extent I let it go. Like, okay, fine, chalo, kar hi dete hain. And something I should stop myself. You know, I know that I should stop myself.
I have
like,
told you like on several
yeah,
occasions.
but too much is not good also. Something
Especially for, like, if you do for certain kind of people.
Okay.
Like, I'm not gonna take names in this thing. If that person sees the video, that person will understand.
No, don't do that.
So, what's my secret weapon when it comes to attracting guys?
Being gentle, well dressed. Yeah, your nature, the way you present yourself.
But I don't think that's like a first impression thing. Na? Like, nobody sees your gentle nature and stuff. Like,
You be very quiet when you be in front of opponent sex, like sitting or interacting. You're very well behaved, not on your weird behaviors like
It's
eating
not.
and you're full all over the faces. Your food is there.
that's something I do when I'm comfortable with someone.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Don't you think that's one of the nature? What do you think about mine?
I think just smile a lot.
Really?
I feel like
Maybe because we grew in a girls' school.
that's why you smile when you see a guy you like that's oh yeah, that's like normal. Like, we all do that.
I do always smile.
Yeah, I mean, that's something that attracts the guy. Like, that's what the guy
Okay.
sees in you. Like you've got a pretty smile.
Then though I should say your eyes are very pretty. And obviously your smile too. Like, yeah, you have lovely smile, I can see. What's the first thing I see in guys?
I think the first thing you see in guys is their nature. Like, if they are respectable towards you or not. Or like, yeah, that's something like, you know, how much respect they show to girls, you and other girls. Like, that's the first thing in your list. And I think that has something to do with
Everyone.
no, like the reason why you see that as the first thing
Oh,
that
yes.
attracts
Okay.
you is something
Okay.
to do with
Okay. I know what you mean.
someone.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I think that's the first thing
Yeah.
you see in guys. What do you think? What's the first thing I see in guys?
I think the first thing you see in guys is how trustworthy they are.
So how can that be the first thing I see in guys? Like, first impression can't be made out of like I just saw someone, I'm like, oh, that guy seems trustworthy. Like, I can't be like
looks
that.
then.
Not looks. What about looks?
Come on, the first time we were talking about when
Dash, you went to those places, either that is college or university or whatever. The first thing you was coming and telling me about boys is their looks. How I didn't like them. Yeah. Majority of them were like, no, it's oh my god, you're not serious.
No, it's not like that. It's
it's weird.
no. It's you just made it like so weird. Like now it's like there's no coming back from this. No, the first thing I see in guys would be their smile. Like, that's something that really like it's like
reflects
would
in
I
their
like to see
eyes.
that smile again? So like the second day counts.
This
on
is
that.
melodramatic, by the way.
No, but come on.
You want to see that smile again or what?
Yeah, like, do I want to see that person smile again? Like, you know, the smile is a thing. Like, I have a thing for smiles and hands. Like, they have like really nice hands. It's weird.
That's
Like,
a good characteristic.
it's like they should have like really nice hands and like, you know, not dirty nails and stuff like ugh. No, but like really nice hands. I don't know why I have a thing for hands, but anyway, I just like nice clean hands and a
You're
pretty
done?
smile. Yeah,
I mean, hands.
I'm
Fascinated about hands.
I've got a hand fetish. You have a problem with that.
So, tell me something out of the box. Which celebrity maybe I would have been in love with?
You would have been in love with, or you are in love?
I am in love with. That's better.
I think it's Daniel Radcliffe.
Oh my god, yes! Yes! Yes!
Of course, I remember
Yes.
this. She's like, Harry Potter, Harry Potter.
Yes, of course.
That
Daniel.
sounded weird, like kids.
But still, he is not there on FB. Like, not there on FB. Like, not like there are so many celebrities we follow and they keep on sharing their everyday story or
Follow him on Instagram.
not there.
He is there.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
No, I mean I follow that page, but he's not there on Facebook now.
He's not some regular guy, dude. Like, he sounds so weird. Like, you can't stalk him on Facebook. He's Daniel Radcliffe. Like, come on.
I wish he would be there now. See, you see, Shushmita Sen fell in love with a random boy over Instagram, yaar. Like,
He's not a random boy, he's a model.
I mean, he is, but he just texted. Like, have you seen that where Shushmita Sen was talking about, like, the boy texted and he was just scrolling all the fans' messages and then.
So basically, you want to like text something, like ping.
Okay, if I say so, I can be in trouble right now.
Did you DM Daniel Radcliffe already?
No.
And I'm so like, I have nothing to say.
You know, when we were in school, there was a couple of girls from Loreto came from Europe, and I asked one of them.
Do you know Daniel Radcliffe? Oh my god, he's so weird.
And yeah, it is. And
what did you say?
that girl was like very
Obviously
sweet to me and was like, no. As if because we are staying in India and we have met Shah Rukh Khan. It was something like that. It was very weird. I was very young also. Okay, cut it. Done.
Do you know who's my celebrity crush or like who I love? Come on, like I keep sharing pictures on Facebook. Like if you don't know this, I don't know what to say.
From Bollywood?
Try.
From Bollywood. No.
Yeah, sure. Like he's my first love, but like this was a very given thing. Like come on, like I'm a dancer, he's a dancer. Of course, I love him. But then like
Also his looks. Oh my god.
I mean, but no, like who am I in love with? Like who I just love, who for whom I'll do anything if that person just asks, like something like that. It doesn't have to be a guy. It can be a girl as well.
Okay. Now you're making it more difficult.
I thought it was a hint. Who's like so beautiful?
Radhika. No.
Come on,
Come on.
just say it. Who's my favorite actress? Oh my god, I need a new best friend. Come on,
Deepika? No.
duh! Like it took you so long to answer that. Like Anybody who follows me on like social media knows that I love the car.
I just answered it. I did.
You guessed it. Like you didn't know it. Like I'm shocked.
It's Deepika. See, I said na. So done. Yeah. Okay. Now tell me, what is the best memory you have with me?
Best. Actually, there are so many. Like I can't like put my finger on one as such. But I think all our birthdays were like crazy fun. Like all our school friends and our neighborhood friends used to come and used to like celebrate, and also like cousins and everyone. Like we both our families know each other. Like I know everyone in her family and she knows everyone in my family.
Yeah.
Like we're that close, and it used to be really fun. Like even if I go to some distant relative's house and they are like, "Oh, how's Devati doing?" Like something like that.
Yeah.
So. Yeah.
And still they ask, like same here when I visit my relatives and they are like how she is doing, and because your nickname is, shall I say that? Chini, so it was always we were like named as, because you're Chini, I am the chai and something like that. Because yeah, even our school teachers, many of them used to think that we are sisters or staying same home.
And there was this one point we used to lie and we used to be like, yeah, we are sisters. Like,
Yeah, because it was always like going to school together, coming back together, studying together, and used to cheat together. I mean, not in school, but at our home when we used to study, your mother used to take classes and we used to hide under the bed and then used to cheat.
What's your best memory of us?
Swimming. When we used to go for swimming together, and the way, like, yeah, especially during your competition was coming close, and sadly I was not available on that particular swimming day because of certain other appointments, commitments, but yeah, the entire session before that competition, I think we enjoyed a lot.
Yeah, like she is literally the reason that I started swimming, because I used to be really
It was so
scared.
good that early morning going to the swimming classes, enjoying.
Like she literally
it.
pushed me and like literally pushed me in the pool.
First you were so stiff and you were so scared, like no.
She had to.
Yeah,
And then she also taught me how to swim properly and like different styles.
I remember once you was
I've
just
done.
going to drown, and
Yeah, and I had just started like learning how to do my paddling, and I just like used
was
to
just
go from here to there,
yeah,
like
you was just
cross the
crossing.
and halfway when
You
I
got
I kind of like I stopped, like I couldn't go anywhere.
because somebody maybe came in your way.
No, I just got stuck and I was not moving. I
Yeah,
was
yeah.
trying, but I couldn't go, ahead. So she just came in from back, like swim, held my hand, and she just like dragged me with her in the water. I was like, oh my god, my savior.
And then we got scolding from the swimming teacher, instructor, because
For being over smart.
because that you see, when you see someone getting drowned or something and you know swimming, what will you do? Like you will go and try to help that person, and the teachers were like, we are here to do that, you're not the one.
Well, if you are not trained in how to save a life, you should not. Like, you should go to someone who is more experienced
Reliable.
and like knows what they are doing, because sometimes why they say not to do that is because when somebody is drowning, that person will try to grab onto you like this and take the support, which is like like you will suffer if you try to help that person. So it's better to go and ask for help from somebody who knows what they are going to do. And
I think by the time I went for that help, I knew very well, but teachers were there, and teachers are always
and I wouldn't have
teachers.
grabbed her either. Like even I have some sense too. Like I know somebody's saving me. Why will I like put both of us at a very
No, you were
false
even
situation?
smart enough to give your hand like that. And
I just like held, and I did not even like hold her hand tightly or something.
No,
I
it
just
was
like,
something like this, and I just kept on swimming
Yeah.
from the other hand, and it was pretty.
So that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you had fun.
Of course, I did. Of course. Like after so many years, it was just like opening so many boxes, unwrapping our stories. It was fun going back to the childhood and sharing our memories with you, everyone. I hope you guys have enjoyed it as well.
And you can also like comment down below who did better, like who knows whom better.
See,
mostly it was her who answered the questions, but whatever I answered, I was like on point. I knew everything what I was talking
come on, that doesn't define our friendship.
No, of course that doesn't, but I still want to know who did better, like because I'm very competitive, and of course like.
Yeah, you did. You did.
So please comment down below, and if you would like us to do more videos, you can just comment down below. It'll be really fun. We'll come up with something.
Yeah.
And yeah, see you again next time.